You know, see how we alone. Look how hard we try. Nobody here we cry. Them not care for you over we alone. Been through the storm when the rain is out. We saw no one. We alone, yeah. We alone, we alone.
No, guys, welcome back to the vlog channel. Well, I should have brought my glasses too. But anyways, guys, welcome back to the channel. We're back with another video. This man pull out the Clarks. Anyways, guys,
but me know say like.
Is this hot?
No, you say you just come pick up something and then left out. But me know say I saw me like this year come. Cause me know the beach I come now we all have my beach clothes.
You're not gonna go in that water, Ziggy.
Why?
The water doesn't even look all that. But anyways, Nyla. Nana! Hi! You always pushing up your lip. Here, I actually never thought it was gonna be this busy because of the whole COVID thing. But it is super busy. Like, you almost couldn't even find parking. But we found parking way back there. We're just walking down there right now. Down here is a really nice chill spot. I remember when I was younger, we used to come down here and just chill and hang out. There's food down here. They have little boutiques you can go and like shop, but nothing too big. They have like ice cream and stuff like that. It's a nice chill area. So if you're in this side or want to drive up to this side, definitely check out Pickering Beach. It's nice.
We're like we're in a phase 3. Phase
3, yeah, we're officially in phase 3. So places are open. The only thing is I don't see people in their mask. I don't see a lot of people in masks and stuff like that, but we have ours. We just walked with it. So that's a little...
Just like what they say, the bar, them open.
Yeah.
Or restaurant open, right?
Yeah.
So why didn't say people don't wear masks, see me? Why you go wear mask, go in, and when they have to eat, you have to take off your mask or something.
I know. It doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
But you just have to follow the protocols, you know, because you don't want to get in trouble.
Yeah, I know, but just make no sense.
It doesn't. That's true. It doesn't make sense.
When you reach that door, you have to have on the mask.
Yeah.
I want you guys to table, then you can't take off your mask.
I know. It doesn't. That's true. I never thought about that. But yeah, it's so nice outside, guys. Like, look at the sun just glistening on me. It's really nice outside. It's actually really hot. And once again, I step out in jeans because I'm thinking, we went to the lake up by us, it was freezing.
Yeah, it was cold.
But down here is like hot, like so humid. Yeah, we'll check back in with you guys in a bit once we find them because I know they're looking for parking right now. I heard it's like really good. Like they have rum and raisin, grapefruit nut.
Wow.
What? What is this, Mr. Is this a Jamaican place? Miss. What? Ziggy pan chicken and stuff. What?
Yeah. You're right. You're right.
Okay, so they have like a Caribbean type vibe settings down here. This is beautiful. This is nice. Yes. What is it called? Mr. Delicious. So if you guys are down here, come and check out Mr. Delicious.
Wait, let me clean up inside there. You see inside?
Are you open yet? Is it open yet? 3 o'clock? Mango salad, roasted red pepper, pumpkin soup, jerk chicken dinner, steamed fish, Ziggy.
Yeah?
They have steamed fried fish dinner. Wow. Okay, we're gonna come back here to grab food. This is like literally giving us like Jamaica vibe right here. Look at the chairs. Inside? Wait, want me to come back then? Oh. Okay, say. Ooh, look at this. Oh.
This is a Rastaman house, eh?
Rastaman house. What's your name? What's your name? You're going straight on YouTube.
Eh?
Yeah.
Bluetooth, YouTube, I gotta do.
Ah!
It's a Rastaman house. Fish, idaya. Roast food, idaya. Bami, idaya.
Yo, I was just talking about Bami, you know. So he said I could take a quick peek. Oh, wow. Wow. Okay, so this is the inside. This is really nice. So we're definitely gonna come back up here and eat some food once I find Shanique them.
Yeah, I'm working till 2 o'clock in the morning.
What? Does that mean we can come down here and chill? I know, but I'm just...
The kitchen is closed till 2 o'clock.
Okay. Alright, we'll be back. We're gonna bring some people.
Hey, well, hey, give me away from shoes and my shoes are bad. I know them shoes, but I've never seen them that.
Clark's?
Yeah, for real, man.
That's all. Straight.
Alright, man.
Okay, we'll be back, okay?
Alright.
Wow, that's nice. Okay guys, so that wasn't here before. That was really nice and refreshing to see. Yo, that was nice. That's literally giving me like island vibes right there. We're actually gonna go back up there. He said he opens at 3 to probably get some food. This again is Clark's that everyone loves.
Alright, man.
It's because you don't really... Ew, look at all these flies.
You have to sight them.
So guys, we finally meet up with the Das family. Das family. The family. And little Amari. Say hi! Guys, he's even cuter in person. Hi! We're just sitting over here, chilling. It's kind of breezy though, so I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I know. That's the one thing with this camera, like the mic, you just hear all the breeze.
Yeah, with ours too.
Yeah. And then Nala's over here, of course, stuck on me. She's scared of the sand. You scared of the sand? What are you gazing at? What are you gazing at?
Every time making soapy.
Big up on yourself. You watch me now?
Yeah.
It's
All right.
okay, big up yourself. Bumped into another subscriber, Kiana. What's your mom's name?
Sophia.
Big up, Sophia. Thanks for saying hi.
So right now we're down on the Pickering beach. I first me actually I come down on this side as Mama always they say, yo, she want to come down here, but yo, honestly with yes, like don't have to look more vibesy, like mother tell anybody to come here. And as Nisha explained to me past, a Jamaican restaurant out on the front we look official. You see me? Where when you pass back you want to stop and see what go on in the see how you think them set up, and then we can go, you know, like say, yo, yeah, you can go and visit, you see me? So right now as I want to see in the background, like people there enough, like enough. Let me tell you it's enough. You can see people there in that place enough, you see me? So we just there chill out for the day. I don't know like how long we are go there for. Only for breeze a blow, you see me? I like this water. Hey. Yeah? I chichi chichi. I chacha. Yeah, so the plan we are going back. Yeah, but the family I'm like that family I'm just
They're really nice.
humble, chill. But by just meeting them, like me can just feel the energy. As I always talk about, I just say energy. You see me? Like me can just feel them energy, like really humbleness there. You see me?
Yeah, it's like our first official time like meeting them.
Yeah. So when I can check out the
Dad's family.
Dad's family. Yeah. Name probably there on the bottom one there, so
Yeah,
you can see what go on and see pretty. So yeah, we are at home now. Honestly, as I say, the Pickering Beach, I like it. You see me? Vibe, like a vibes can hold this, so like, you know, right there. So just now, me feel like mother go all a dip. Like mother take a dip. You see me? Yeah, nah.
What happened?
You don't see no cow, no donkey. No car, no nothing.
So chilling in the backyard with my grandma, and she said our backyard looked boring. My aunt's in there at Keisha's nail salon. What's it called? The Don Nails? Don Nails? Yeah. Don Nails. Nail done. The nail done. I'm out here chilling with my cousin. So mama's out here trying to tell me how to wean Nyla, but it just doesn't work.
What's up?
We're back home. My cousin, my aunt, and my great grandma, aka my grandma, is here. What? Nyla just woke up as we reached, so now she's all miserable as per usual. What's your face? We're just chilling in the backyard. Mama, say hi. I'll put you on YouTube.
People about by YouTube.
So yeah, I'm just chilling.
You see whatever you have to give.
Yeah, you're gonna.
Hello. Hi. Hi, baby. You're not looking at mama.
Yeah, my My daughter.
Okay,
Nyla is
you-
acting all brand new. What's your
When you
face?
feel pleased, then you'll say, Mama. Yo.
Look at Mama. Look.
Let me show your mama.
Where's Mama?
Show mama.
No. Where's Mama? Mama?
Mama there.
Look, Mama. Yeah. Where's Mama?
Then grow too much.
I know. Oh, Daddy was up there this whole time?
They come up there.
Oh, Chef Mike. Chef Mike's up there somewhere. Outside's nice, but it's humid. Where you get that from? Girl, yay! Come again. Good girl.
Come now. Come again.
Come, look. 1, 2, 3.
Make she take up her one. She there hang on.
1,
2, 3.
Yay!
Nice.
Good girl. Yay!
Yes, I see that. I'm gonna pour it out.
Hush, Mama.
No, I'm going for a try.
Yay! Good girl.
Nice.
You want to move the table? Tunisia. What? That's the 10th time you cursed in front of your mom. Ziggy, maybe move down there a little. So guys, the vlog is ending right here. About to head to bed. Just gave Nyla her shower because, you know, it's been a busy day. She's been up and down in the sand, in the backyard playing in water and all this stuff. Why'd you take off your towel? So, hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. It was a great day. Spent it with Shanique and her family, and then we came back and chilled with my family. Day well spent, a Sunday well spent. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and join the newbie family. And hit that notification bell so you get notified when we post a vlog. And I'll see you guys in the next video.